Hello and welcome to another edition of Fix 64. I'm Darren Hadley. Do you ever wish you had the ultimate all-in-one home and precision toolkit? Well, here is the CubeFix by Kerr Innovation. 55 tools in a 3.5-inch cube. It is an upcoming Kickstarter, and I will include the pre-launch link in the description. Launch day will be March 10th, and its estimated Kickstarter price is $39, the last I've seen. So let's unbox it really fast and I will unfold it and go over its features. The CubeFix is very unique in that it sorts all of the tools by task. Say you want to work on a game console, it has a section for that. It also includes tasks like phones and tablets, home appliances, and more. And this is the cube. Very small, fits on a desk, looks cool. But this is the fun part. Okay, anyway, it has open end wrenches, 4mm, 4.55, 5.57, and 8. Here's for common home repairs. Here is the handle. Oops. Oh, snap it together. Oops. Yeah, I don't want to do that. But anyway, this is the precision tool part. It's a dual mode handle, by the way. This is mode 1. Rotating cap plus slim grip for 3C and electronics. Then it has mode 2, high torque. And it transforms into an L-shaped lever for home maintenance works. It simply snaps together with magnets, and the L shape helps immensely with torque. See that? Very cool. Each section has what they're most likely for: game consoles, home appliances, more home appliances, phones and tablets, and optic and lab. So like if your reading glasses or regular seeing glasses have a problem, it has the little screwdrivers that you can use to tighten those up. Here is home repairs, so just standard and unique tools for that, and open end wrenches, and of course the guitar pick type units to pry open different electronics. You've seen me use them before if you follow the channel. But yeah, it has the most premium look too. It's a sleek design that looks great on a desk or in a home setup, and I really love the concept of this little cube. And it can always be within hand's reach. Oops, I'm supposed to take that in first. Yeah, there we go. It's kind of like a transformer too. It's kind of fun, like a toy, fidget toy or something. Yeah, it's really awesome. Let's open it up again. See, it kind of makes a station too, like it's like, hey, I need to work on something. There's your station. The bits are treated with a premium chrome plating, and that provides superior rust resistance and wear protection. It's also significantly, it boosts the hardness and the toughness. And as I was saying, the design of the CubeFix is so unique, it's actually fun to unfold and fold like a puzzle or a fidget toy. So this organization is so unique. I mean, it's the obvious problem with other brand toolkits is they just have a huge volume and they dump hundreds of bits on you with zero plan for the actual use of those bits. And it's just meaningless quantity over real utility. I mean, say I want to do a game console with the PH1. I have it. Precision. Say I'm working on something around the house and I need a little more torque. Beautiful. That was a very good idea. And then it's always handy to have pry tools. Yeah, I guess those don't actually go in. So they're just, standard tools. Very good. And the wrenches. Now you can put those in. And if you need a little torque on those too. I should be going that way. You got that too. Yeah, every other brand has a senseless layout. They use some random layout. Even for the same bit, you're forced to hunt and guess by pulling and trying and failing every single time, which I have done a lot of, believe me. So, with the wonderful and innovative CubeFix, they've selected the 53 most commonly used bits and tools. And you can locate any bits for your fixing in an incredible 2 seconds. So you can identify your task and find your tool. Oh, I need that for my glasses. Right there. Guess I should put it on the camera. I can pull out a little bit there. Okay. But yeah, I mean, it's really a really unique design. I love it. All right, I'm going to quickly cover some of the specs of the bits. The home repair bits have the special valve core. That's for bicycle valves. Oh, let me get the camera. So you can screw out the bicycle valves. And it has a H456 3-in-1 innovation, and one bit covers 3 common furniture screw sizes, which I think's pretty nifty. That's that one. And then here, the in Y2 is a security bit for electrical equipment and power strips. In PH2 or INPH2, specialized for security panels and multi-brand power outlets. And the M series, M4, M45, M5, M5.5 for internal screws and hard drives and consoles and high-end appliances such as air conditioners, washers, different home repair scenarios. Next let's go over the pry tools, top to bottom. You hold them to use them, they don't fit into the bit holder, which I tried earlier. I should have just read my notes. But this is the curved pry bar for ergonomic prying out at various angles. You have an unboxing blade for cutting tape and opening packages. You have an angled scraper for removing dirt adhesive, residue, or solder slag. A pointed pry for precision gaps. A pin adjuster for circuit board pins and heavier prying like staples and stuff like that. So that's the pry tool section. Okay, 3, you have the game consoles dedicated for bits for Switch, PS5, Xbox, you name it. 4, home appliances, the PH and SLs. They are for MacBooks, cameras, hair dryers. And over here, under phones and tablets, you have the AP 2.3s for Apple products, iPhones, iPads, MacBooks. And there's U-types, and these are common in Sony and Panasonic, Japanese brand electronics, Nintendo consoles. Then there's the triangular picks, so you can open electronic screens or pry around like a laptop to get the cover off to put RAM in or SSD. And if you follow the channel, you've seen me do that a number of times. Let's go back to phones and tablets. Here's the IP4. That's exclusive for iPhone 17. And then AP is the most common Apple standard bits. And then there's Optic and Lab, the PH 0000 and 000, universal precision sizes for eyewear and optical repair. So yes, this thing has it all. Open end wrenches, various projects. Very cool. I'd like to thank Kerr Innovation for sending me this awesome tool set that I will use constantly. I'd also like to thank my viewers and subscribers. And if you like this sort of thing, please like and subscribe. And if you want to know when my next video is up, please click the bell button. Also, check out the link below for the Kickstarter and get in on this because it is awesome. I mean, just look at that. Simple. And it goes right on the desk or your workbench like mine right here. Always have the tools you need when you need them. Very innovative. Thank you again, Kerr. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.